Deleting or removing your WordPress website from Hostinger is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can remove and delete your WordPress website from Hostinger. So for that, you have to be at the Hostinger's website and you need to log into your account. After logging in, you will see a page something like that. Now here you just have to click on domains, and in domain you will be able to see your website right here. In my case, I am not hosting any of the website, so I cannot see any website. So you just have to click on your website and the links for your website will appear right here. So you just have to click on the three dots on the right side of this link and click on delete. After deleting that, you will see a page like that. I'm just using these screenshots to teach you guys how exactly it will look. So you just have to select the number of options that you want to delete. After selecting those number of options, you just have to click on this delete icon, this red button. What it will do is it will totally delete your WordPress website from your hosting account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.